Krishna's lips are compared to nectar, and they emit a special fragrance, because nectar has a fragrance. Nectar means marupan. It's like you make this marupan, or this, say, honey nectar. And then you take kadamba flowers. It's called kadambari. Kadambari. You take kadamba flowers and water and honey and mix them together in a clay pot and keep them for some time. And then it kind of changes its form and ferments and becomes nectar, honey nectar. It's called kadambari. So this, and it has a fragrance. It's kadambari, it's nectar, but it has a fragrance and it has a very powerful altering effect also. Because that's what happens. So it has a nice fragrance. So they're saying that Krishna's his lips are compared to nectar, and his lips have a fragrance.